guys, what are we gonna do today? Can you guess? We're gonna do some fun paper folding and make some of these twisted wreaths. Let's get started.
So the first thing you're gonna need is drywall paper tape. And I have a roll right here. And you can get this at any hardware store, and it's really inexpensive. You can see there's a crease line down the center of it, so it makes it easier to use. So what we're gonna do with this drywall tape is we are going to cut strips. We're gonna cut 18 strips that are 30 inches long. And then you're going to cut one strip at 5 feet. Then you cut down this center line. So you're gonna have two skinny 5-foot strip pieces. Your other 18, and each one you are going to cut on that line and cut them all down the center, and you will have 36 of these when you're done. So cut all of these shorter strips and put them aside. We're going to use these two 5-foot pieces. Figure out where the center is on both pieces. So I have the center of both, and I'm making a cross. The bottom piece is going vertical and the top piece is horizontal. So doing this first piece is a little different than the next steps. So this is the part it's a little tricky. So I'm going to leave a gap up here, and I'm going to bring this top piece right here. You see it's at an angle. Then I am going to take the right side, bring it to an angle. Going to bring this bottom up and bring the left side over that one and underneath here. This is just the way that we are going to start it. And straighten it out a bit, but it's not going to be completely straight because you had to use an angle to get it put together. So you can see this angle back here. So we turned it over. This bottom piece is going to go up. The one to the left is going across. This one is coming down. And then this one is going through. Now, to remember what step you're on, I look and see what's the last one I did, the one that came through to the left. So that's what I'm going to start with, and I'm going to fold it back over to the right. Now we're going counterclockwise. Bring this over, bring this over, bring this down and through. And then pulling them slightly. I don't need them very, very tight, just a little bit, just a little snugger. This is the last one I used. I'm going to start going clockwise. Bring this one over. Bring this one down. And bring this one through. I'm going from the side instead of the bottom, so I'm going to the right, and I'm going to go counterclockwise. Now that I'm going to be going up, that was the last one I did, I'm going to be going clockwise. After you've done a few, you're gonna remember it. So these ends are starting to get a little short. I'm going to do one more here. This is the last one, and it's going right down towards me. Going that way, going that way. And tuck this one in. Now what we're gonna do is take those shorter pieces we had. I'm gonna put glue stick back behind there and glue these on. I made these a little shorter because I think if you had the full 5 foot length on each strand, it's really, really hard to work with. Now when I do this, sometimes I kind of forget, where did I stop? So I kind of really have to look. So I know that's where I ended, right here. So I'm just going to continue on. So I'm going to continue this, doing the same thing until I get through all of my strips that I have. So when you've gotten to the end of the last set you're doing, it'll be like this, and you can see how long we have this now. I'm just going to do my last strip or so here. Trim this one a little bit. So this is what we have. Is you see how this edge and this edge go together? So when you look at it like this is a circle. Now when I twist it and turn it like that, and then I twist it and turn it like that one more time, you can see I have this nice twisted little wreath here. And this might be easier with hot glue, putting glue stick all over these 4 edges. Here it is, flat again. This is how it would be even. And I'm turning it, sticking these 2 ends together. What I'm gonna do next is take these ends and glue them. Then I'll glue this one in here. And if you have to trim those little ends a little bit more, I'm just gonna push that in, press that down so that end isn't sticking out. And this one right here. Now, if I would have done one strip of the paper one color and one another color, it would look really cool because you would see the 2 different colors coming around here. You can cut your paper, your strips thinner for the width that you would like. You can make it longer. The longer you make it, the bigger of course it'll be, but the more you can twist this. So you can use really any type of strips you would like. You could even use ribbon if you would like. You just have to make sure that all the strips are the same width, and there you go.
I hope you guys think this was really easy, because it's really not bad at all. And whether you want to use drywall tape, use other papers, even use ribbon, you can make it look so completely different with different colors, different widths, and however big you want to make it. Hope you give it a try. Whatever you do, have fun.